Another day of exploration. Here we go. Well, hello again, friends. So today, this is the back pasture of the homestead, the acreage, and this pasture, you've seen it before. Half of this corral is ours, and half of it belongs to the adjacent neighbor. And got this old barn. We've got all kinds of things going on out here, and that needs mowing and taken care of. So just gonna get out there and hit it hard.
Oh, there's just a little bit of bullshit and all that, right?
So I've never been in this barn that's right behind me. So we're gonna take a look inside of that. We're gonna open up the gate for the very first time and do a little bit of mowing and exploring.
Watch here.
Now right behind me you can see the flag. I'm going to try to mow a bit of a straight line here so I get a visual sense of the pasture here, but hey, it's a little marshy, a little wet, and not very flat. So we'll see if that works. And then once I get this mowed out a little bit, I can take a look inside the barn and see what's up in there.
What I like about the man, he's a philosopher. Oh, yeah.
Alright, well here we are at the barn, and as I said, take a look at these the mud tracks. I'm in about six inches or so of mud. Man, I tell you what, it's soggy. On down here, I mean, there was standing water on down there in that little section. We'll go down there here in a second.
Come on!
Looks to me like there's a lot of construction surplus stuff in there. There's, obviously this was used as, for animals. At some point, it's broken down into 3 stalls here. Pretty rough. I mean, you can see everything's just kind of tagged together on these old wooden beams with the bark still on them. Who knows how old this barn is?
I wish I had a lair.
You can see like a floor joist, different pieces of lumber in there, some OSB, an old shower. There's a lot of siding here, some electrical boxes, doors, HVAC stuff. Gosh, the wind is really kicking up today. Some HVAC, plumbing, junk. Looks like some plastic rims off a tire, another door. But yeah, just a lot of junk. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. We'll see. I suppose the first thing is to get it cleaned out, but Jesus, what do you do with all that vinyl siding? I'm gonna walk on down here, show you this little component. So as we get down here closer to the creek here, now the creek obviously runs right through here, and it goes back behind a neighbor's property.
Correct.
So at any rate, the creek runs through there, and that's making this ground right down here pretty saturated. If we were to put animals in here, we would have to do some major repairs on this fence and add a section. As you can see here, I've got it mowed down pretty good.
Yeah, it looks pretty sweet. It looks awesome.
And as I made that first pass on the mower, I discovered there's some pretty good deep pockets of holes right down in here. I mean, deep holes. And there are some, I don't want to get too ahead of myself and step down into something huge. But mowing this would be pretty treacherous. And I mean, this is all rock right here. And I mean, like I said, this ground is saturated. I don't even know that I want to drive the tractor down here. At this point, it's so muddy. But you can see right here, you can see the deer tracks going all the way down through here. They're following this right over here to the creek. I'm gonna follow their deer trail right here. And there's that goes right through here. And it feeds right into that system. But man, is there a hell of a hole right there. And I'm just walking out here on this deer trail. And I tell you what, I don't know, as I walk right down it, I really don't know if there is a good way to get here other than coming from that other direction.
What you gonna do?
Yeah, you're pretty much in the middle of a mess, to be honest with you. You got this land down here that you really can't pass. We're almost going to have to build some sort of a bridge or something to go over it, and fill in some dirt and stuff like that, because it's so eroded that you really can't. You really couldn't do it any other way. I don't know if you could make it out in this or not, but the water's coming through there and kind of pooling up a little bit, but it is running into this culvert, and that big culvert is moving that water. There seems to be 20 feet. You can kind of see it where it's pumping it right back out right there. Ooh, lost it. There. And where that water's pumping it on out through.
That's just the stress talking, man.
Well, shoot, I suppose with all the lumber and the stuff that's in the barn, I got the means, or at least some of the product, to build a little bit of a bridge out there. I don't know if I would trust it, but I don't know. Anyway, I think that's a task for another day. Thanks for watching. I appreciate the like, share, subscribes, interactions. Have a good day.